It's our homestead anniversary. We've been here a year and we're puppy shopping for a new dog. We had to put our other dog down. If you guys have been playing along in the home game on Patreon, you know why. But we're in the market for puppies, and here we are.
Look at this one. Look at my face. Look at my face.
Hey, go by Daddy.
Come here.
Go over to Dad.
Come here.
Go by Daddy.
What?
That's the one that we were.
What are you doing?
Yeah, that's Dakota.
This one?
Yeah.
That's the boy? Yeah, sold. Yep, I like this one. It's smart. And it's cute.
There was that one.
Oh, and now I got puppy mud on me.
I really like the Huskies too, but
Yeah,
they're both girls.
they're both girls. Different litter or same litter? Puppies. Introduce us.
So this is gonna be Ranger.
Mm-hmm. And that's a boy.
That's a boy. Yeah.
And there's thunder coming and lightning. Bring it here. Let's see. Let's see this monster, this beast.
Show me your war face.
Nice. Good job.
I'm trying to imitate.
Say hello.
Aspen, throw it. Throw it.
They want you to throw
Oh, okay. Don't say hello. Here, go back to this one.
Come here, you little rat.
Okay. All right. What do we get? What did we get? What are those?
That's puppies.
Oh, that's puppies? How many?
I have something.
Dos.
Dos puppos?
This is not our
Girl,
No.
boy. See the difference here? Do all the paperwork. Mm-hmm. You have better handwriting. Mm-hmm.
It's starting to rain.
There you go. There you go. Yep, you're good. Do you even tactical gear, bro? Yes. Well, yes, I do. 3 kids, 2 puppies, a mom, a dad, 12 rolls of toilet paper, battle belt, a day pack, a trauma kit, some bottled water, a regular everyday bug out bag over here, and a recce rifle, and some baby rain boots. And a bub. And a partridge in a pear tree. Hey, you chill out, man. Simmer down. Simmer down. We're going home.
Aspen, no.
Don't chew on my fingy.
He's eating your finger.
This girl is she's so chill.
Then the boy's like.
Yep. This guy, he's like, I'm not chill. Whoa, Aspen. Okay, guys, get the baby. Okay, the baby's trying to drive home. It's raining outside. We're driving back. The girl one is totally chill. The boy one's not so happy about it. Sleepy puppy. Baby, that's what they do. They lick.
Your puppy. The puppies are triumphantly on property. It is our homestead anniversary, and it's also 50 minutes past lunchtime, breaking my fast, intermittent fasting, and it's time to eat. So, shalom. How would you get so short? Oh, it's because I'm standing on steps and you're not. Or is it? Say bye to these people.